Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable colour filters on your PS5. Now it's a fairly simple process to do. You want to first head up to the settings here at the top, then come up to accessibility, then on accessibility you want display and sound, and then come down to colour correction. And then you want to toggle this enable colour filter. And now you can come back out and see what that looks like on the home screen. And to change it again you come to the same place. Then on the colour filter you can change it again to the next one, and also you can change the intensity here at the bottom. So we'll come and have a look what that looks like on the home screen. And again, let's go back to the settings. Let's change it to the next one and see what that looks like on the home screen. Now back over to the settings and let's look at the last one. And that is what the last one looks like. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.